Judge, at 1 minute until 9, and I was out calling names and none of these people.
I'm not having any trouble, Don. I don't know what your trouble
Well,
is.
I guess everyone's
Just
scary.
they're all showing up for me.
And I've never spoken with him either.
Are you David Lee Stevens?
Yes.
I like your last name.
Right.
One of us is misspelling it. Nonetheless, seriously, though, you were charged here with the second degree felony of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon, namely a knife. And that doesn't end there, because the indictment states that you were convicted in 2010 in Sutton County, Texas. I'm not aware of Sutton County. I'm not familiar with that. Is that up near Fort
West
Worth?
Texas,
Huh?
going toward El Paso.
Okay, it's west. What's the cap? What's the county seat of Sutton County? Yeah,
Sonora, Texas.
Sonora.
Yeah.
That's way out there.
Yes, sir.
Okay, it states you were finally convicted of illegal possession of a controlled substance, a third degree felony in 2010 out of the 112th District Court of Sutton County. So what this means is not good. Your second degree felony in paragraph 1, if you're found guilty of that, it can be enhanced or increased because of the previous third degree felony out of Sutton County, if that's accurate. So if all of this is proven true, you were looking at a first degree felony of no less than 5 nor more than 99 years confinement or life imprisonment, and a fine up to $10,000. So that is what you're facing here. The victim in this case, do you have any connection with this victim right now? Contact? The Keisha?
Yes, sir.
You're not supposed to.
I brought her to court so she could sign and let her know that it was untrue.
What was untrue?
The whole indictment.
That she lied?
Yes.
Well, that's a crime, isn't it? How many people are going to get in trouble on this? I don't like that. That's not the way the game, it's not a game that's played. State, she's the prosecutor. I know the way she thinks about this stuff. Lying doesn't get you out of trouble. Get you in trouble. What's his bond? You're not supposed to have any contact with people who are the victims, especially and changing stories. It isn't the way.
I know.
Isn't the way it's supposed to be. Well, no, you've had contact because you know too much about the plan that's being hatched to try to absolve you of responsibility. The law is not a gun. The law, it's about fairness and justice. I'm sorry?
His bond is $75,000.
Who posted that?
I did.
Where'd you get $75,000?
I worked on.
Okay, well, it's doubled to $150,000 now. Threatened to kill her with a knife, holding the knife in the hair. I'm sorry. When I'm speaking, you can't speak because the lady can't take everything. But this is what the lady said, the victim. You said, I'm going to effing kill you. Blood was observed throughout the house. A weapon was located. The victim stated the threat was taking place. She tried to gain control of the knife, cut her finger in the process. They located you, detained you. Y'all had been in a dating relationship for 5 years. 2 children. This isn't role modeling, for children. This isn't good role modeling for children. No, I'm still working on the probable cause affidavit. It's lengthy and detailed. Due to the nature of this call and the partnership, both were in agreement of the assault was, I don't understand what that word is. The assault was a result of family violence. The victim states she believed that you are capable of your threats and that he placed her in fear of imminent death. You were thus arrested, placed in the back of the patrol vehicle and transported. if the affiant believes if you and the victim were to be left alone, further family violence would ensue. That's why we try to work things to have no contact until we can resolve this. The defendant is charged with aggravated assault with a deadly weapon, second-degree felony. Okay. Condition of all bonds or don't have contact with the victim unless I authorize it, and I didn't. Here's the remarks of the magistrate when your bond was set. Remarks: no contact of any kind with the victim, Lakeisha Williams. It's $150,000 plus you have to have a GPS device. Plus you will stay in home confinement at someone else's location other than the victim until this can be sorted out. Next time there won't be a bond.
I never.
That you're gonna have, y'all figure that out. Those are the court's orders. You're taken into custody. You don't make the rules. The law makes the rules. And this is act of violence. This is very serious. All right, Jeffrey Dorson.
Judge,
You were charged, as you know, with the third-degree felony of deadly conduct, which carries with it up to 10 years in prison. And as you know, Mr. Gross is your time. Go ahead.
Judge, we're asking just for a rating for 70.
There isn't anything regular in this room.
Okay, we're
What are you
asking
asking for?
4 weeks.
Okay.
Thank you, Judge.
No, that's pretty regular.
Pretty rare. Thank you, Judge.
That's irregular. So it's for an announcement.
Yes, Judge.
April 19th was not a good day, guys. That's even over a year ago. This thing was filed in December. What we're gonna do?
Keep him on probation.
Are we having a hearing on it, or is it gonna be agreed? What do y'all had?
There is no agreement to keep him on probation, Judge. There is a state jail offer.
It's over 6 months old. Nobody's said it. Nobody's talked.
He's able to.
Here's what we do. You set it for a hearing. Can y'all be ready in 2 weeks?
Yes, sir.
All right, it's a hearing. I'll make the decision. No deal. Daniel Rodriguez. Daniel Rodriguez. Right. Daniel Rodriguez.
Sir, I'm ready.
No. I'll get ready. 2 weeks. Daniel,
Yes, sir.
what's he gonna, on this one? This is a state jail felony, right? That carries with it up to 2 years in the state jail. I don't see any criminal history, so. It's, yeah, everybody makes mistakes. How you deal with your mistakes is the test. What are we gonna do? I don't know. This one is February of this year. It's indicted. It is. It is.
It's an NTRP.
No, this isn't an NTR. The other one was. This is a new case.
I get an offer, I'll see if he wants to do it, if not, I'll see if he change it.
Hold on.
They're holding for a second, no, I'll talk to you.
That's all.
Yeah. Hey, this probable cause affidavit needs to be.
I like to get all kinds of things.
I know.
Already inherited.
Please raise your right
I
hand.
mean, this could be a mistake going one direction versus the other. That's all.
Well, I'll talk to him. Yeah, like I said, it's in the top.
Keep up your right front. Right hand.
Okay, no, this.
Okay. Walk right there.